When it comes to making dinner, one of the biggest challenges many of us face is, what can I make that's different? Let me help you by introducing you to a recipe that's easy, budget-friendly, and comforting. It's country fried steak, and it goes together like this. We start off by seasoning some cube steak with salt and pepper. And then, for a twist, we dip them in some buttermilk. You see, the buttermilk adds a tang to the breading and helps tenderize the meat. We coat both sides really well with some yellow cornmeal, which will ensure lots of crunch in every bite. After pan frying them, when the coating is golden and they're cooked all the way through, we place them on a wire rack. Then, in the same pan, we add some seasoned flour to the drippings, whisk in some milk, and when this thickens, our gravy is done. Serve this up with some mashed potatoes and a veggie, and say goodbye to your boring dinner time routine. Let me assure you, this is going to be a new family favorite. To get your hands on our country bumpkin fried steak recipe, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fast and budget-friendly way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.